In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export and import Shopify products in bulk using a CSV file. This can be incredibly useful if you're managing a large inventory or if you're switching platforms and need to move your product data efficiently. Let's walk through the process step by step to make sure you understand exactly what needs to be done to manage your products seamlessly. First, let's look at how to export your product data from Shopify. You'll begin by navigating to your Shopify admin panel. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu, and what you're looking for here is the Products section. Go ahead and click on Products to reveal all the items in your store. Once you're in the Products section, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You will find an option labeled Export. Click on that, and you'll be presented with a series of choices for exporting your product information. You'll need to select the CSV file type, because this is the format you'll use for importing the data back into Shopify or another platform later on. CSV, or comma-separated values, is a standard format that's compatible with many spreadsheet programs and e-commerce platforms, making it easier for data transfer. Once you've selected the CSV file type, the file containing your product data will be generated and sent to your registered email address. This step usually takes a few moments, and once the file arrives in your inbox, you can download it to your computer for safekeeping or for import into another system. Now, let's switch gears and focus on importing your product data back into Shopify. Again, you'll want to start by visiting the Products section in your Shopify admin panel, just like you did for the export. Look toward the top right corner, where you'll find the Import button. Give that a click. Shopify then offers you a couple of options. You can choose to import products from another platform if that's applicable to your situation. However, if you're working with the Shopify formatted CSV file you've just exported, you'll need to select the option to upload a CSV file. Find the file on your computer and upload it. This process allows you to efficiently manage your product listings in bulk, saving you the time and effort of having to manage each one individually. It's a straightforward method that enhances your ability to manage a large inventory or transition your store data between platforms, and that's all there is to it. By exporting and importing your Shopify products via a CSV file, you've equipped yourself with a robust tool for inventory management. Whether you're a seasoned Shopify user or just getting started, these steps will help you streamline your process and keep your store data organized and accurate. Thanks for watching. And be sure to stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your e-commerce journey.